What's going on, family? It's your man Miami Patron here for another video. So in this video, what I'm gonna be sharing with you guys is the best cafes here in the Parquilleras Poblado area. So for those of you that want to come out here, whether you're a digital nomad or you want to come visit and build your online business, maybe you don't want to go to a co-work space, maybe you want to find a free option, because when I first got here, that's what I was looking for. I didn't want to go to a co-working space, nor did I even know there were any out here until like a couple weeks in. So what I'm gonna be doing is there are about 3 different cafes here in the Poblado area. As you can see here, I'm in the most famous part, which is Parquilleras. So if you're gonna be coming out here in a hostel, most likely you're gonna be staying in this area, or if you're a tourist or anything like that, Poblado is the most popular place. So while you're here, why don't I give you the 3 best cafes to go to? So I'm actually gonna walk up the hill right here, and I'm gonna take you to the first one, which is, I think it's called, actually let's go over there and I'll give you the name of it, okay? But to give you guys a better idea where this actual cafe is, I actually didn't even know about this place until like a couple of days ago, and I've lived here for 3 months, okay? So right here, I'm in the Central Park. So when you come here, you're gonna be in Poblado, so you're gonna see the lights. Those lights are typically here. Down this way, a bunch of restaurants and stuff like that. I'm actually on the lower half of the park, all right? There's the upper half and the lower half. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna keep heading uphill, and this is where I'm gonna find my first coffee shop, which is, what's the name? Juan Valdez. So let's head over there and I'll show you guys what it looks like. Okay, so this is the first spot that we're gonna head out today. Here's San Juan Valdez. So it's a nice spot. So for those of you that kind of like comfy chairs, that's kind of how I like it. That's why I like to go to Starbucks. It's because they have lounge chairs or a place where you can sit back, relax, put the laptop on your lap, and chill out. This place actually does not have anything like that. It's mostly chairs. So if you're gonna be sitting here for hours on end, maybe not the spot that you want to go to. Now, I attached the menu on here as well. Basic coffee menu, nothing, nothing too special. It is cheaper than Starbucks, so if that stuff matters to you. But the thing is, if you do want to come here, in order to get the Wi-Fi, you do have to purchase something. Because I just asked, I try to connect to the Wi-Fi, that way I can give you guys a speed test. But we're gonna have to go ahead and buy something, all right? So this is Juan Valdez. This is the first stop we're gonna have. That's here in Parquilleras. So let's go look at the Starbucks. We'll check that one out as well. All right, so we're gonna walk over to Starbucks, which is, just a couple blocks away. So Juan Valdez is actually right here. So if you're at Juan Valdez, which is the park, you're gonna walk straight, which is gonna be up that hill, and we're gonna walk, and right down here, we're gonna find our Starbucks. So let's go look at the Starbucks right now. So if you're the gringo type, then you're probably gonna like Starbucks. The cool thing about the Starbucks here, you got this nice little Medellin little things if you want to take some photos. Now, I am not gonna lie, most of the time that I have worked out of a cafe, I have worked out of this particular Starbucks. It is on Calle 10. The reason I work there is it has the fastest Wi-Fi. It is usually not packed. There is another Starbucks in Laureles that is always packed. Here you can almost always find a seat. It's the fastest Wi-Fi upload and download. So let's hop inside. I'll give you guys like a little visual what it looks like, okay? But by far, in this area, and I'm actually gonna show you one more, which is called Pergamino, but this one is on the top list if you guys are looking for a free cafe to work out of. Okay, so it's the next day because yesterday it started getting a little bit dark, but this is our 3rd and final stop. We are at Pergamino, which is right here. I'm gonna go inside and share it with you guys here in a second. But this is my favorite cafe that is here in the Parquilleras area. So this is actually on Carrera 37, so 37. So this one is gonna be probably your best option if you're looking for free Wi-Fi here. It has great quality Wi-Fi, whether you're uploading videos, working on Facebook ads, anything like that. This will probably be the best place for you to go. Now there's actually 2 locations. So this is the very first location. So this is on the Calle 10, which is the main road here in Parquilleras. You're gonna walk up the hill, and you're gonna make a right onto Carrera 37, okay? And now this is the first one. Now this one is a smaller one. You're still gonna have some nice lounge chairs and stuff like that. But it's mostly like normal chairs. All right, normal chairs for those of you that are gonna be working it for a couple hours. Might not be the best option, but still great quality coffee, great quality Wi-Fi. So let's see, there's a lot of people in there right now, so I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get some video in there, but this is the first location. In a second, we're gonna go check out the second location and go from there. Okay, so this is the fourth and final stop. Now this is the hidden gem. This is the cafe that I highly recommend you guys use if you're here in the Parque Lleras area. Now it is kind of a hidden gem. It is on Calle 10B, so Calle 10B. It is a little bit farther up the hill, but it's off to the left side. So if you're walking up the hill, it's gonna be on the left side. Now I barely found this location out yesterday. I kid you not, yesterday. I didn't know there was two locations of the Pergamino, but it's a great brand. And here, not only do they have you can see here, they have a second floor and they have a first floor, but they also have nice lounge chairs. So and really quality Wi-Fi. So if you want to do some uploads, like I uploaded a YouTube video yesterday, it wasn't as fast as my house, but if you're still looking for that free option, this is a great place. So if you don't want to go to a co-work space, this is probably your best bet if you are here in the Parque Lleras area. So you got the first floor, second floor, lounge chairs, high quality Wi-Fi. So let's see if they'll let us go inside and maybe get some video. So I just gave you the best options in the cafes here in the Parque Lleras area. So if you're looking for something more traditional, Colombian, so you have Juan Valdez, that is the local chain here. Like I said, you're gonna have to purchase something if you do wanna use that Wi-Fi, not comfortable chairs, but it is something local. Or if you're, you know, obviously if you're an American, you have the Starbucks, you know, nice comfortable setup, that is something, you know, is familiar. That's why it's a franchise, because every Starbucks is the same. But if you want something that is local, but yet something comfortable, fast Wi-Fi speeds for whatever business that you're running, I highly recommend the Pergamino Cafe. Whether you come to the bigger location, which is here on Calle 10B, which is you see that you have the top and the bottom, or you go to the smaller one, which is on Carrera 37. Each one of them, you're gonna have a great feel, great coffee, great internet speeds, but also something comfortable, whether you wanna lounge down or just, you know, be comfortable for a couple hours and get your work done. So you guys want to make sure you subscribe below, because I'm also going to be going over the co-working spaces, you know, because there are multiple co-working spaces. So if you don't want to work at a cafe, you want something more private, make sure you subscribe. That way you guys check out those videos. So till next time, Miami Patron out.